and welcome back to the channel. I'm Gracelyn behind the camera.
And I'm Levi.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Gracelyn behind the camera.
And I'm Levi.
And today Levi has a 5 Surprise mini brand monster trucks. So he's going to be opening it up and we're going to see what's inside. So let's get into it. So we took the plastic off and there's more. Okay, Levi, so go to the other side and peel the little tab off. Or take the tab off.
So these things?
The one that's just one thing. That one right there. I'll help you. Alright, we took the tab off. Oh, something fell out. This little orange thing. So let's see. Oh, this shows you all the ones that you can collect. Oh.
We got that monster truck. That monster truck.
Levi, I'm trying to show them, bud.
Is there any gold monster trucks?
I don't know.
Okay, well, there's one, two.
And then there's also
There's 4 surprises.
this one.
One big, and 3 small.
Alright, so there you go.
I'm gonna open the big one first.
Okay. That's probably like the main truck and the other ones are the surprise
Maybe.
things. Ooh, it's blue, your favorite color. Ooh, it's a shark too. Pretty cool. Okay, so this is Levi's little car so far. Open up the next one.
We'll go for this one. Because it feels like it's packed. Wheels.
Hey guys, so we're back and we got the 2 wheels on. Now, Levi, open up your next slice.
We'll open this one up. My guess, wheels. Oh, it's the gun. It's a cannon.
Does it like shoot that out or something?
I don't think so. Okay, we got that one.
Alright.
Okay, so guys, we put this back on, and it's pretty cool. Well, and actually, I was surprised about this. There's a red button right here, and if you press this red button, it's gonna shoot out. So that's cool.
It's right there.
I'll see it. I can't see it.
It's right.
I can't see
Her.
No, this is definitely it.
Oh, wait, okay. So this is a little thing that shoots out, but it's not focusing. Here. Alright, let's open the third one. Alright, next one.
For the next one, it's gonna be this one. I'm gonna go. Oh, probably already know what it's gonna be. Yep.
Oops.
Wheels. What?
Alright, so Levi's putting the wheels on. You just have to pop them in.
Okay. 10 years.
10 years later.
10 years later.
Still
and I'm
trying.
Still trying.
There you go. Okay, he put it all together.
Here we go. Put your hands up. Okay, well, we did it, guys. Make sure.
Let me see.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell.
So you never miss a video.
Bye.
That hit me. Okay, bye guys. Peace.